हाँ फुल चालू क्लच छोड़ रहे क्लच छोड़ Oh my god!
For that you have to watch the entire video, guys.
So we're going on another adventure today. This time, no, I'm not again the Activa. This time it's the big guy, Mark 500, and we have Mehul with us. So I actually don't know where I'm going. Maybe I'll go on a small trail or something because he's on the Dominar, and that's about 80% stock right now. Hope for the best.
Twenty minutes later.
I mean, this is not really a flat track. I mean, by definition, this is not a flat track. It's just a way how I like segregating my off-road tracks. I mean, it's difficult, it's bad, and it's flat. I mean, this bike is clearly not meant for this. I think I'm going to be known as the guy who likes taking the wrong bikes for off-roading. Yeah, that's what it's going to be. I take a cruiser on such tracks. I take an Activa for one of the most intense off-roads, and the Himalayan is just sitting in the parking. That's a different thing that's owned. Oh, nice. It's a different thing that's owned by my dad, but then shit. Really no idea where this is. Aşağı. How come I never came across this place? Being so close by. Okay, God, this is so bloody scary. Oh fuck. Function white now you park? What now you park? छोड़ रे, क्लच छोड़. Off-road minutes. Oh my god. Oh fuck, this is going to be amazing now. Huh? Full चालू होत जा. Oh my god. Oh fuck! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Shit man, this was crazy. Toruzo.
Crazy motherfucker. Damn. Hello guys, so today we are at some
God forbidden place.
yeah, and we just discovered it without the use of any maps, and the scene is beautiful. Yeah. What do you have to say?
He came up on a dominar.
Okay,
It has street tires on it. At least I have Ralco's running.
Off-road just got crazy when he came up through that from that slope.
Any message for Ritik? It's actually recording right now.
You missed this, bro.
So today's video was something that I really didn't expect I would do, especially on one of the Thunderbirds out there and a Dominar. So if you've definitely loved what you've seen. I mean, you don't see these things every day. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. He's going to do the same. He's going to do the same.